Welcome back, everyone, to UK Pro Reviewer. Today, we're delving into the world of nostalgia with a unique piece that's sure to catch your eye, the Vintage Typewriter Model. Let's dive right in. Now, what makes this Vintage Typewriter Model stand out? Let's talk about its features. First off, let's talk about its practicality. Mimicking the experience of typing with its miniature keys, this typewriter model is not just a decorative piece, but also a stress reliever. Perfect for those moments when you need a little break from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Crafted from premium iron, this typewriter ensures durability. It's not just for show, you can actually use it, adding a touch of vintage charm to your workspace. And speaking of charm, let's talk about the design. Meticulously hand-polished and distressed, each piece exudes artistic vintage vibes. It's like a trip down memory lane, adding nostalgia and uniqueness to any space. Whether it's your home, office, or a special occasion, this typewriter serves as an eye-catching centerpiece. It effortlessly enhances the aesthetic appeal of any room, adding that perfect vintage touch. And finally, let's not forget about its gifting potential. Imagine delighting your loved ones with this timeless piece. It's a thoughtful present for birthdays, housewarmings, or any special event, showcasing appreciation for the unique style and taste. So there you have it, folks. The Vintage Typewriter Model, a perfect blend of nostalgia and functionality. If you're looking to add a touch of vintage charm to your space or surprise someone special with a unique gift, this is the way to go. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews from UK Pro Reviewer. Until next time, happy typing!